right, welcome to July 2019 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. This month we've got some really cool videos that you can learn spray paint art techniques from. We're going to start off with a very simple galaxy. This looks complicated, but it only takes like 5 minutes minus drying time. And we're going to use kind of gushy spray paint that we move around with lots of clear coat to make this. And then I'll show you how to add some details with some interesting little tools that you may not have played with yet. And of course, we're going to use the classic spray paint effects to add lights and stars and planets, and we'll go over those again so you can create all kinds of stuff on the fly with your spray paint or your airbrush. And then we're going to move on and we're going to play with improvising landscapes and using found objects. I like finding stuff in the dollar store and playing with it, and I show you how you can do that too, and how you can flow with what's happening at the moment in your painting. So with this painting, we're going to keep it real simple and just use blue and white and a little bit of black and all the classic spray paint effects, and I'll show you how you can improvise interesting landscapes using found objects. And then we're going to move on and we're going to play with mountain stencils, and I'll show you how to work with a couple of different kind of mountain stencils and create some interesting designs. So these kinds of effects and these kinds of tools are useful whatever kind of artist you are. Just think about what you might want to use from all of this interesting ways of painting. We use a lot of found objects, a lot of things that you might normally not expect that would give you good artistic results. And we show you in our monthly videos where to find those things and how to use them to create like landscapes like this, for example, that look maybe like you took a ton of time to do each brush stroke. Well, not really. This is done with a tool from a department store that is rarely thought of in connection with art, and you can make all the grass and all the trees in just a few minutes using it. And then we add a few details just to finish it off, and I show you how to do that in a way that combines your spray paint art with other artistic techniques so that it will blend in a little bit more in a gallery if that's the kind of look that you're going for. And then we're going to finish off this month doing a little bit of mixed media, which actually works really well with spray paint art. It's completely cool. So I'm going to get you started on that path of using things that you print out, things from newspaper, things that you find, and how to combine it, how to integrate it into your painting, what to paint on so that it works, and how to make it all blend together so that you have something cool that you've created with mixed media. So if you're curious about these techniques and you want to learn more, go to spraypaintartsecrets.com and get some free lessons. I'm available if you have a question. My name is Elisa Amor, and you can contact me at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com anytime. See you inside. Ciao.